Hello, welcome everyone for the session today. We are doing I think this is now going to be almost more than a year plus, where we have been doing our regular monthly healing sessions on the topics as requested by each one of you. So today, the session is going to be focused on releasing the negative cords which are causing the disturbances within you, in your inner self, and also within your environment or in the different areas of your life, like your career, your relationships, your job, your finances, your health, your environment. So, all those different areas which you are actually having struggles with, or maybe certain things where you're probably doing good, but you want to move on to the next level. And there is something which is stopping you. So today's session is going to be focused on the healings that I'm going to give you for releasing these negative cords, negative thoughts or negative links which we have created by ourselves with other people. It could be living things, non-living things, it could be animals, it could be anything in your environment with which you have started building these emotions which are probably not serving the purpose for you to grow. So with that objective, we will start our session for today. I just want all of you to sit in a comfortable position. And if you're okay, you may close your eyes or keep your eyes open. And as always, I would want you to keep your hands in a receiving position. So this is the receiving position, keeping your palms facing upward. So keeping your palms facing upward, sit comfortably. And today I'm going to use the crystals as well for healing because we are going to work towards the disconnection of the negative cords. While we are doing this, we are also going to do the chanting of the mantras for each chakra. So in my previous sessions, I have spoken about the chakras. So we are going to focus on each chakra and chant the mantra and work towards the disconnection of these negative cords and the negative energies. So just sit comfortably with your palms facing upward, spine straight, keep your spine straight. You may roll your shoulders back with a smile on your face. If you're comfortable, you may close your eyes. If not, let us start the session first with doing the invocation. I invoke the divine presence of the Supreme God, the divine energies, the healing energies to be present here in this moment to help me, to heal me, to guide me, and to protect me. I am open and receptive to the healings which I'm receiving in today's session. I'm open and receptive to experience the energies. I'm open and receptive to experience the new changes coming in my life from this moment. And with a smile on your face, let us do 3 deep breathing. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, where you're going to inhale up to the count of 6. Hold it for 1, 2, and 3. And then exhale slowly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're going to do this for 3 times. So let's go ahead. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold your breath 2, 3. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Normalize your breathing. Let's do it again. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold your breath 2, 3. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Normalize your breathing. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold your breath, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now just mentally observe if you have any discomfort in any part of your body. Just mentally observe if you have any discomfort in any part of your body. Let us just relax each part of your body now. Relax your head. You may shake it if you would want to just relax it. Relax your facial muscles. Relax your neck. Relax your shoulders, upper back, chest, your arms, wrist, fingers, middle back, stomach, lower back, navel area, your hips, thighs, knee, ankle, and feet. Head to toe, mentally just say, I relax my body. I relax myself at physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual level. I'm open and receptive to the healings. I'm open and receptive to the changes in my life. I welcome all the positive changes. Just focus and now, with a smile on your face, head to toe, you're completely relaxed. And now, let us focus onto our feet, the feet chakras, the feet energy centers. And let us just say, or listen to me carefully with your attention on your feet. Dear universe and supreme God, please surround me in your healing light. Clear my physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual being from negativity in all its form. I release all my toxic energies into the light, which is helping me to stay grounded, centered, and be present in the energy of love. Be receptive to the healings. You'll feel warmthness or sensation at your feet. Dear universe, please cut the cords that keep me chained to the negative past, negative emotions, and the negative relationships that are no longer needed in my life, so that I can be free and ready to start a fresh new life. Help me to start making healthy choices in the present moment to restore my natural and radiant state of well-being. And now just imagine from your feet, it's like roots from your feet, the energies are flowing down to the earth, where you're getting grounded to connect yourself to the earth energies. Be receptive. You'll feel the energies, the comfort, the strength of the earth energies. And slowly and gradually, these energies are moving up to your knee, to your thigh muscles, and then we are coming to the root chakra, which is at the base of your spine. We will first release and disconnect this cords and then chant the mantra Lam 3 times. Bring your focus and attention to the root chakra at the base of your spine. Be receptive to the healings. And let us say, dear universe, please surround me in your healing light. Clear my physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual being from negativity in all its form. I'm ready to release all the toxic energies into this light and help me to stay grounded, centered, and present in the energy of love. Dear universe, please cut the cords that keep me chained to this negative belief, negative past, negative emotions, negative relationships that are no longer needed in my life, so that I can be free and ready to start a new life. Help me to start making healthy choices in the present moment to restore my natural radiant state of well-being. Be receptive to the healings. And people who have learned the Reiki levels can draw, visualize the Reiki symbols or any healing techniques that you have learned or any symbols that you've learned from the healing techniques. You can visualize them on your root chakra. And with a smile on your face, with all the positive energies flowing into your root chakra, let us chant the mantra Lam 3 times. Lam. And as you chant, feel the vibrations in your body. Lam. Lam. Relax, normalize your breathing. Feel the energies, vibrations flowing into every cell of your body. Be receptive to this healing. And in case if there are any issues, any problems, or any goals that you want to focus on, just bring that so that you can release the problem, release the issues, and give more power to your goals to be achieved in the target time that you have visualized or you have imagined. And now slowly we are going to move to the next chakra, which is the sacral chakra, just near your navel. So bring your attention and focus slightly below your navel. That's where is the sacral chakra. Visualize, imagine the color orange. In case if you're not able to imagine the color orange, just mentally say, I'm bringing my attention to the navel chakra. The color is orange. I'm ready to release all the blockages, the negative thoughts, negative beliefs from a navel chakra. Be receptive. Dear universe, divine energies, please surround me in your healing light. Clear my physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual being from negativity in all its form. Release any toxic energies into the light and help me to stay grounded, centered, and present in the energy of love. Feel this energy of love at your navel chakra. Dear universe, please cut the cords that keep me chained into this negative past, negative emotions, and the negative relationships, negative beliefs that are no longer needed into my life, so that I can be free and ready to start my new and fresh life. Help me to start making healthy choice in the present moment to restore my natural radiant of self and my healthy self and the well-being. With your palms still facing upward, feel the energies flowing into your palms, reaching to your navel chakra. And now we are going to chant the mantra VAM 3 times. Intention is to release all the problems, issues, relationships that are not serving the purpose in your life. Let's start chanting on the mantra VAM 3 times. VAM. Feel the vibrations. VAM. Be receptive to the healings, and one more time. VAM. Be receptive. A few of you may feel heaviness within your body, or you may feel like your emotions are flowing out. You may feel like crying or screaming. That's okay. Let them flow. And now we are going to focus on the next chakra, which is 2 inches above your navel, solar plexus chakra. The color is yellow. Mentally just say, I'm focusing on my solar plexus chakra. This is the house of your emotions and one of the power chakras. So a lot of irritation, anger, frustration, which is stored within you, gets connected to this solar plexus chakra, which is 2 inches above your navel. So we're going to do a little deep aspect of healing over here. Dear universe, divine energies, please surround me in your healing light. Clear my physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual being from negativity in all its forms. Release any toxic energies into the light and help me to stay grounded, centered, and present in the energy of this light. Be receptive and just say 3 times, just say, I release all the negative energies, negative cords from the solar plexus chakra. I release all the negative energies, negative cords from my solar plexus chakra. I release all the negative energies, negative cords from my solar plexus chakra. Dear universe, please cut the cords that keep me channeled to this negative past, negative emotions, and the negative relationships that are no longer needed in my life, so that I can be free and ready to start my new life. I command to start making healthy choices in the present moment to restore my natural, radiant state of well-being. Feel the energies. And the mantra to chant here is Ram. So we're going to chant the mantra Ram 3 times. A lot of you might be feeling a little heaviness out here in this chakra. As I said, this is one of the power chakras hosting a lot of your emotions. So we release it, disconnect it. And let's chant the mantra Ram 3 times. I focus on my solar plexus chakra. Ram. Ram. One more time. Ram. Now with this chanting, just visualize any pain, any discomfort in your physical body is getting released and thrown out of your system in the form of gray colored clouds. Else you can mentally say, all the discomfort and pain from my physical body is released right now. I am healed at all levels, physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual. And now, let us slowly move to the heart chakra, which is at the center of your chest. This is yet another chakra where a lot of your emotions associated with self and others are connected. Just focus, say, I'm focusing at the center of my chest, the heart chakra. The color is green of this chakra. And while we are at this chakra, let us first do the forgiveness part, which is the most important aspect, to release and disconnect the negative cords at your heart chakra. From this moment onwards, I forgive myself. From this moment onwards, I forgive everyone around me. And from this moment onwards, I ask for forgiveness from everyone around me. If you have any specific set of people in your mind, just bring them. From this moment onwards, I forgive myself. From this moment onwards, I forgive everyone around me. I forgive everyone who have been a part of my life. I ask for forgiveness from everyone around me and from the people who have been part of my life. And I'm ready to release all the negative cords, negative energies that are not serving the purpose for me. Dear universe and dear energies, please surround me in your healing light. Clear my physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual being from negativity in all its forms. Release any toxic energies into this light and help me to stay grounded, centered, and present in the energy of love. Dear universe, please cut the cords that keep me chained to the negative past, negative emotions, and the negative relationships that are no longer needed in my life so that I can be free and ready to start my fresh and the new life. Please help me to start making healthy choices in the present moment to restore my natural radiant state of well-being. And just visualize, imagine, or mentally say, I am radiating loving and kind energies to myself and to everyone around me. I'm radiating loving and kind energies towards myself and towards everyone around me. And the mantra to chant here is Yam. We're going to chant the mantra Yam 3 times. I focus my attention on the heart chakra. Yam. Yum. Be receptive to the healings. Yum. Relax, feel the vibrations. If any of you is feeling heaviness in your palms, you may just do this finger exercise. Do it 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Bring back your position, keeping your palms facing upward. We're now going to focus on the next chakra, which is your throat chakra. The color is blue. So focusing on the center of your throat. This is the chakra for your expression of your emotions, expressing your thoughts. Dear universe and divine energies, please surround me in your healing light. Clear my physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual being from negativity in all its forms. Release any toxic energies into the light and help me to stay grounded, centered, and present in the energy of love. Dear universe, with your energies, please cut off the cords that keep me chained to the negative beliefs, negative emotions, negative thoughts, and the negative relationships that are no longer needed into my life so that I can be free and ready to start a new life. Please help me to start making healthy choices in the present moment to restore my natural radiant state of well-being. If there are unexpressed emotions which are stuck within your throat, you have not been able to express your emotions, not been able to talk your heart out, just focus on releasing all of those pent up emotions which you have not been able to express. Just say release, release, and release. Be receptive to the healing. Feel the energies. The mantra to chant at the throat chakra is Hum. I bring my focus and attention to the throat chakra. I'm receptive to the healings. I welcome the changes into my life. And let's start the chanting of the mantra hum 3 times. Feel the energies, vibrations in your palms, at your throat. One more time. Relax, normal breathing. And any stress, any tension that you have started feeling in any part of your body, just say, I release it instantly and permanently right now. And the next chakra to focus is your third eye chakra, which is between your two eyebrows, slightly above here. It's also called as a spiritual eye, bringing in clarity of thoughts, helping you to improve your willpower. The color here is the dark blue indigo color. If any one of you need any clarity in your life for any of the areas, be it your career, business, job, relationships, any areas, your health, finances, just mentally bring that point, saying that I need clarity. From this moment onwards, I'm getting clarity into all the areas of my life. Be receptive to the healings. And now, let us also disconnect any negative cords associated for the area that you're looking to bring clarity in. Dear universe and the divine energies, please surround me in your healing light. Clear my physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual being from negativity in all its forms. I'm ready to release all the toxic energies into this light. Please help me to stay grounded, centered, and present in this energy of love. Dear universe, with your flaming sword, please cut the cords that keep me chained to the negative belief, negative past, negative thoughts, negative emotions, negative relationships that are no longer serving the purpose in my life, so that I'm free and ready to start a new life. Please help me to start making healthy choices in the present moment to restore my natural radiant state of well-being. Feel the energies at your third eye chakra. And the mantra to chant here is Om. The way we are going to generally chant is we do it as Om. So we start with Ah and slowly close our mouth so it forms the sound of Om. So let's go ahead and do that. I bring my attention and focus to the third eye chakra. And let's do the chanting. Feel the energies, vibrations. I bring the focus to my third eye chakra, the spiritual eye. I'm ready to release all the negative thoughts, negative emotions, and negative thoughts. I welcome all the positive changes. Feel the vibration of the Om chanting. And one more time, be receptive to the healings. Relax. Normal breathing. Feel the energies. And when I say feel the energies, you may feel some sensations, vibrations, sound, sensations in any part of your body. And now let us focus onto the last chakra, which is at the top of your crown, or the top of your head, which is called as the crown chakra. The color here is purple. There is no mantra to chant. We are going to focus on the silence. But before that, let's release all the negative thoughts and negative emotions. Dear universe and supreme God, divine energies, please surround me in your healing light. Clear my physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual being from negativity in all its forms. Release any toxic energies into the light and help me to stay grounded, centered, and being present in the energy of love. Be receptive to the healings. Dear universe, with your flaming sword, please cut the cords that keep me chained to the negative thoughts, negative emotions, negative relationships, negative cords that are no longer needed into my life, that are no longer serving the purpose in my life. I am free and ready to start my fresh life, a new life. I'm ready to experience all the new changes in my life. I welcome all the positivity, all the positive changes. Please help me to start making healthy choices in the present moment to restore my natural radiant state of well-being. As there is no mantra to chant, just bring your attention, focus on to your crown chakra, top of your head, and you will just mentally say, I'm connected to my higher being. I'm connected to the Supreme God, the divine energies, the universe, whatever is convenient and comfortable. Just connect to that divine energy. We'll just observe silence for a moment, for a couple of moments while I continue giving the healing. And now, as you feel the energies flowing into every cell, every part of your body, into your palms, let us just imagine, visualize, or mentally say that I'm surrounded by this divine healing energy. Just imagine that you're forming a circle. There is a circle of this energy being formed and surrounding your body. And let's do this. I now cut all the cords that are going through me, to me, or from me, that are attached to any person, place, animal, thing, situation that no longer serves my highest good. I now cut all the cords that are going through me, to me, or from me, that are attached to any person, animal, place, things, situations that are no longer serving the purpose for my highest good. I have learned all my lessons. I'm ready to welcome the new beginning in my life. I now cut the cords with unconditional love compassion, gentleness, and ease. I surround myself in a net of light, which is helping me to stay at comfort, ease, and is pulling away, removing away all the negativity. I now cut the cords with unconditional love, compassion, gentleness, and ease. I'm surrounded by this net of light, which is pulling away all the negativity from each part of my cell, body, physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual. I'm being protected, I'm being divinely guided and divinely healed. Feel the presence of these energies and be ready to receive the positive changes that will start from this moment into your life. I thank the divine energies. I thank myself. I thank everyone around me. I thank the Supreme God, the divine energies, the healing energies, the universe. I thank myself for being here, for attending this session and being receptive to the healings to welcome the new changes in my life. I thank everyone. Just feel the energies, be with these energies for a few moments while I just give the closing healing energies. And with a smile on your face, I would just want you to gently rub your palms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. With a smile on your face, gently massage your face, forehead, your scalp, neck, throat, your hands, your chest. You can do gentle tapping as well, or just a gentle massage, upper back, lower, middle, stomach, your thighs, your knees, your ankles, and your feet. Just let these energies get absorbed into your system. Awesome. So with that, we complete our session for today. I will just give the rights for you all to unmute in case if anybody wants to share any experience or have any questions. So I'm just giving this participants the right to unmute. Okay, so yes, so it would be good to hear your experiences so people can stay here. We are done with the session for today. If in case of any questions, feel free to ask me or share your experience or type in the chat window. Anything is fine. Thanks a lot, Bhagyashi. Thanks, Darpan. Thanks, Sachin. Good to hear that you liked the session. Yes, Darpan, if you have a question, you can unmute yourself or you can put it into the chat window. Okay, feeling heaviness in your palm and some sensations. Yes, go ahead.
You are able to hear me, Poonam?
Yes, your voice is a little low. You might want to say a little loudly, Darpan.
Yeah. Now it's audible?
Yeah, it is audible now.
मैडम ये जो कलर्स होते हैं रेड हुआ ब्लू हुआ विद ईच चक्रा सो कैन यू गाइड मी ये येलो जैसे येलो कलर है उस चक्रा के लिए जो मतलब नाभि के ऊपर होता है तो हाउ आर दिस कलर्स क्या क्राइटेरिया होता है कलर का कि ये कलर इस चक्रा के लिए इसका लॉजिक और क्या होता है लॉजिक तो रॉन्ग क्वेश्चन हो गया बेसिस क्या होता है
Okay, Darpan, ये जो colors हैं, these are colors from the nature itself, colors of your chakras. There is a separate session, मुझे नहीं पता कि आपने इससे पहले वाला सेशन अटेंड किया है या नहीं, जहाँ पे मैंने काफी डिटेल में बताया है कि हर एक कलर का सिग्निफिकेंस कैसा है और वो किस तरह से तैयार होता है in terms of how it gets analyzed, aligned with your chakras. तो मैं आपको रिकॉर्डिंग भेजूंगी, आप वो सुन लीजिएगा because इस 5 मिनट के कॉल में वो समझाना थोड़ा मुश्किल होगा, बट वो काफी डिटेल्ड में लास्ट सेशन में किया था हम लोगों ने वो। तो मैं आपको रिकॉर्डिंग भेजती हूँ।
ठीक। मैम एक क्वेश्चन और था, मुझे मैम कोई सेंसेशन महसूस नहीं हुई, लेकिन जो येलो वाला जो चक्र है वहाँ मुझे काफ़ी पेन रहता है उस जगह।
हम्म।
तो मैंने योगा से, प्राणायाम से उसको हील तो कर लिया, उसको काफ़ी 80% हील कर लिया उसको।
ओके।
लेकिन मैम वो स्टमक डाइजेशन इश्यूज़ भी थे, तो वही वही जगह होता था। बचपन में 3-4 बार जॉन्डिस भी हुआ मेरे को, तो मैं समझ गया वो चक्रा मेरा बचपन से मुझे परेशान कर रहा है। तो जैसा आपने कराया कोई सेंसेशन मुझे महसूस नहीं हुआ उधर, लेकिन
हम्म।
थोड़ा-सा मतलब थोड़ा-सा मूवमेंट हुआ, हल्का-सा मूवमेंट हुआ।
ओके। तो आपके अगर सोलर प्लेक्सस में हुआ तो इसका मतलब ये होगा कि आपके स्टमक एरिया में कुछ इश्यूज होंगे, या कुछ तकलीफें होंगी जैसे आपने बताया है। तो उसके हीलिंग के काफी तरीके होते हैं। एक ये है कि जो आज हम लोगों ने चैंटिंग किया है, आप इसी रिकॉर्डिंग को फिर से सुन सकते हैं, ताकि आपके जो भी एनर्जीज, डिस्टर्ब एनर्जीज हैं वहां पे, वो थोड़ा थोड़ा रिकवर होना शुरू होंगे।
ठीक है मैम, थैंक यू।
तो आप ये रिकॉर्डिंग फिर से सुनिए ताकि आपको हीलिंग और हो सकती है उस एरिया में। Okay, so we have Dipali saying she felt smoke coming out of your palms and has a sweet smell like some incense stick. किसी ने अगरबत्ती जला दिया है। Okay, great. Thanks, Dipali. That's a good experience, because when you start experiencing the energies in your palms, that means the healings are happening, especially when you start feeling the warm sensations. And the sweet smell is connected with the energies of, I generally associated with the positive energies which are connected around and surrounding you. So that's good. Thanks.
Ma'am, Anita here.
Yes, Anita.
Actually, today was my first session.
Mm-hmm.
तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एक तो मेरा ये थोड़ा सो गया पैर, तो मुझे थोड़ा बीच में चेंज करना पड़ा पोजीशन।
Right.
और एनर्जी लेवल पे पता नहीं, मतलब मैं कुछ कनेक्ट नहीं कर पाई कि मुझे रिसीव हो रहा था कि नहीं। सेंसेशन हो रहे थे स्टमक एरिया में, बैक में, और जो हार्ट चक्रा है। सो आई वांट टू लाइक एक्सपीरियंस इट मोर एंड कंटिन्यू। तो डेली कितना देर प्रैक्टिस करना चाहिए इसको?
ओके, डेली एटलीस्ट हाफ एन आवर प्रैक्टिस करना होगा अनीता। और जैसे मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पर आप सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, वहाँ पे सारे प्रीवियस रिकॉर्डिंग्स हैं, तो आप वो सुनना शुरू कीजिए, तो आपको गाइडेड प्रैक्टिस ऑलरेडी मिल जाएगी, जिससे आपको जो और एक्सपीरियंसेस लेने हैं, क्योंकि आज आपका पहला सेशन है, आज आपने पहली बार अटेंड किया है, तो आपके प्रीवियस सेशंस भी आज कल से डेली स्टार्ट कीजिएगा, और आपके एक्सपीरियंसेस फिर आप मेरे साथ शेयर कर सकते हैं, तो मैं आपको गाइड कर सकती हूँ। बट रेगुलर एटलीस्ट हाफ एन आवर ऑफ प्रैक्टिस शुरुआत में आपको हेल्प करेगी।
ओके, थैंक यू मैम।
ओके, ग्रेट. I see somebody said that cried a lot in the navel, solar and heart chakra, feeling very much relaxed. So yes, when you feel that crying emotions, it is also one way of releasing whatever has been stuck within you. So that's the experience for you, Kasturi over here. Okay, feeling light and happier, that's good. Feeling relaxed, but my mind wandered many times. That's absolutely okay if your mind keeps wandering. I think that's what your mind is supposed to do in a normal thing. But as you practice the meditation, you'll start getting a focused attention also on these experiences. Yes, because I'm assuming you would have been attending the session for the first time, and I would request to keep attending the other sessions as well. So that's where your experience can get more better, and you can start following the guidelines that we're talking about.
मैम ये सब मेडिटेशंस एम्प्टी स्टमक करने चाहिए हमें?
सॉरी, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
ये सब मैम, ये जो भी साहब आप करवाती हैं, ये एम्प्टी स्टमक करने चाहिए?
हाँ, आप अगर डेली कर सकते हो तो डेफिनेटली हेल्प करेगा।
जी जी, कर सकता हूँ मैं तो जैसे मैं रात को भी कर, सोने से पहले कर सकते हैं और सुबह उठने के
आप
बाद।
सोने से पहले कर सकते हो, आपको जो भी टाइम कन्वीनियंट हो दिन में, आप कोई सा भी टाइम चूज करके आप कीजिए, बट मेन है कि आप प्रैक्टिस करते रहिएगा।
जी जी। मैम आपने वो फुल मून मेडिटेशन कराते से बंद कर दिया आपने? 3-4 फुल मून से आप मेडिटेशन नहीं करवा रहे हो फुल मून का?
हाँ, वो मेरा स्केड्यूल में अभी फिलहाल फुल मून मेडिटेशंस का सेटअप नहीं किया हुआ है मैंने, पर जब मैं करूंगी तो डेफिनेटली आप सब लोगों को बताऊंगी फुल मून मेडिटेशंस के लिए भी.
Thanks a lot.
Okay, so Smita says that this energy remains for short period, for long-term effect, what to do. Smita, in the case of energies, it's only practice, which will help you. So as I said, after this session, I'll share the recording of all the sessions that I have been doing. So please start listening to it so that you experience it daily. And you will then be able to maintain this from a long-term perspective. And then as I keep announcing about my upcoming sessions, so you can attend those to actually get more deep dive and learnings of this.
मैम ये रेकी क्या होती है जरा बताएंगे रेकी के बारे में थोड़ा सा, if you have 2 minutes.
Darpan will connect about the Reiki in some time. Like I'll share the information because Reiki is a Japanese technique. Just in a brief, Reiki is a Japanese technique which means universal energies. और ये जो एनर्जीज जो यूनिवर्स में है हम उसे कैसे चैनलाइज करते हैं अपने आप के सेल्फ हीलिंग के लिए, वो सारे टेक्निक्स आपको रेकी में सिखाए जाते हैं. But this is like very brief, Darpan. It's a different topic and subject to talk about, but it's a help of the universal energies to channelize in your body for healing.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, so the next health and financial abundance session will be held in the month of August. And I'm starting that on the 15th of August. Very soon you will start getting the links as well. So definitely, Dipal, you can register for that part of the things. Good. Anyone else? Any other questions? Things to... Okay, so felt relaxed. Good. Great. Thanks, Krishnan. Thanks, Veena. Thank you. Okay, so Aparna says she felt heaviness in the feet, especially when we are connecting to the ground energies. Many times you feel a little heaviness because there is a lot of blockages for many of you. And when we start connecting with the ground energies, the heaviness starts coming in. But that's a temporary feeling, Aparna. Afterwards, you should feel much better and relaxed. Great, thanks, Abhay. Thank you, Amita. Yeah, Kasturi, that's a release of your emotions. So let them just flow through. Feeling relaxed, Mansi, thanks a lot. So I'm here for some more time, just in case if you have any question or anything that you would want me to share with, I can pass on those messages as well as on WhatsApp to you.
मैडम मैं पूछ सकता हूँ क्वेश्चन?
हाँ पूछिए दर्पण जी.
How does energies work? एनर्जी कैसे वर्क करती है, सब बताएंगे?
Okay. दर्पण ये जो भी आपके क्वेश्चंस हैं इसका एक सेपरेट सेशन है जहाँ पे मैं सब एक्सप्लेन करती हूँ कि व्हाट आर एनर्जीज, हाउ डू दे वर्क, व्हाट इज रेकी, हाउ इट कैन रियली हेल्प यू. बिकॉज इस सेशन में जैसे मैंने बताया है कि ये सारे क्वेश्चंस को आंसर करना थोड़ा मुश्किल होगा बिकॉज इट इटसेल्फ इज अ सेशन ऑफ ऑलमोस्ट 1.5-2 hours. सो आई वुड रिकमेंड यू दर्पण कि आप वो नेक्स्ट सेशन के लिए रजिस्टर कीजिएगा ताकि आपको ये सारे क्वेश्चंस के आंसर उसमें मिल जाएंगे. और इफ यू कैन ऑल्सो गो बैक एंड listen to the previous recordings, वो भी आपको help करेंगे. Thanks, Darpan, because actually the time is too short. We are just short of 4 minutes now, but definitely all these questions can get addressed. Okay, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, Edward, for joining in. Thank you. Yes, I see Mr. Viru has raised his hand. Any questions? Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot. Okay, so thanks everyone. You take care and we'll connect back next month for these free healing sessions. But until then, I'll keep posted on the upcoming new sessions as well. So take care. Have a good day. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.